Hi everyone, this is Neeraj Jaiswal from neeracademy.com. Welcome to the episode. In this episode, you will learn about the functions, how to declare the functions. To declare a function, you will use the famous func keyword. You will call a function following its name with a list of arguments in the parentheses. You should use hyphen and then greater than symbol to separate the parameter names and types from the function's return type. Let me show you how. So we'll write down the famous func keyword, and then inside this is the name of the function, and inside we will give the parameter list or rather the argument list. So I'll give couple of them, string and day also as a string of type string. Now this is the argument. There are two arguments which are going to be passed, person and day. This is the signature, and then this is the return type which we are going to pass, or rather return, which is also a string. Now our function has been created. I'll just write a return statement where I'll be returning hello person today. Today is, and I'll use the day parameter. There it is. The function is ready. Let me call this function and save the whatever value it returns in greeting, the value constant greeting. So I'll pass the value as Neeraj, the day as Wednesday. Now let us print this greeting constant. It's running there. So this is the first function which you have created. Now let me give you an exercise. I hope you are liking the exercises which I am giving you. So here it is. What you can do is remove this day parameter and add some parameter to include like today's lunch special in the greeting. So I'll just write down that exercise for you. Remove the day parameter, this one, and then add a parameter today's lunch special in the greeting. So this way, like whatever you get, just share it in the forum with the other students. If you have any problem, just ask and I'll try to help you out. It should be a very simple thing for you. Make sure that you are doing these exercises because it will help you to understand the concept. Otherwise, you might not exactly understand until unless you get a hands on it. Let us go ahead. Now the next thing is like I'll just tell you about the parameters. Functions use parameter names as label for their argument. Now if you don't want to use the default argument name that you can, then write a custom argument label. For example, if you want, you can add in this function on. Now when you do this, so while passing the value Wednesday, the day, I can just simply say on. See, there is another thing. There is an option where you can skip the argument label completely. So for this case, what I am going to do is I am going to skip this first argument. I don't want to give this first argument with a name. So I can just add an underscore here, and then I will not need to add this keyword here. So this way you can declare the function. So that's all in this episode. This is Neeraj Jaiswal from neeracademy.com signing off from the episode. Happy swifting and have a wonderful time.